Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss scalar functions. Functions are methods used to perform data operations. SQL has many inbuilt functions that are used to perform string concatenation, mathematical operation, etc. SQL functions are categorized into two categories. One is aggregate functions and second one is scalar functions. Aggregate functions we have discussed in our previous video, and today we'll discuss scalar functions. Aggregate function in SQL perform calculation on a group of value and return a single value. Scalar functions return a single value based on the input value. There are various types of scalar functions. In this video, we will discuss some of them. LCase or lower used to convert string column values to lowercase. Ucase or upper function is used to convert string column values to uppercase. Length function returns the length of the text value in the column. Mid function extract substrings in SQL from column values having string data type. Round is used to round off numeric value to the nearest integer. Now is used to return the current system date and time. Format is used to format a field. We can format numeric and date and time data type. Now we'll see practically how scalar functions work. First we are opening employee database. To see all the data available in EMP table, we have to write select star from EMP. Select name, LCase name from EMP will give the name as well as lowercase of name. Here we are using alias name, lowercase name. You can see we are having the names and lowercase name of all employees. You can see M is capital in name and in lowercase name it is small. The same work can be done by using LOWER within bracket name. To get the uppercase, we have to write select name, ucase name as uppercase name from EMP. All the letters converted into uppercase letters if we will use ucase, and also if we will use upper. To get the length of the name, we have to write select name, length within bracket name from EMP. It will give the length of name of each employee. Space will also be a character. You can see the length of Amit Sharma is 11. Select name, mid, name, 2, 6 from EMP. Will start from second character and it will write up to 6 characters. Space will also be a character. Select name, mid within bracket name, 3, 5 will start from letter third and up to 5 characters will be printed. You can see the example of Kamlesh, Kamlesh. It starts with M LESH 5 characters are printed. Round function is used to round the numeric value up to a particular decimal place. Select commission, round within bracket commission, 1 from EMP will round commission up to 1 decimal place. As you can see, the last record, it is 165.95 and rounded to 165.9. 165.45 will become 165.4. Suppose we want to record the date of joining of each employee, we can use now function. Select star, now from EMP will give all records as well as the date of joining of each employee. The date and time will be the time at which the function executes. We can also write select now, then we will get the current date and time. The format will be YYMMDD, then hour, minute, second. Here we will discuss the format of numeric value only. Select format within bracket 2347.45678, 0 will give 2347 only. 0 means we want to have only 0 decimal places. Instead of 45, if we will write 0.55678, then it will be rounded up to 2348. 0.4 is less than 5 and 0.55 is greater than 5. Select format within bracket 2347.55678, 2 will give 2347.56. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching the video.